Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Todd Woods. I haven't did one of these in a while, but oh well. I'm back. I promised on my last one I'd do this. Kayak Grape. Put a big old pinch in. Watching some NFL preseason football. Bengals up 34-10 over Atlanta Falcons. Yeah, great. Kayak. Okay, so. Hmm. Yeah, I really love grape. Grape is pretty good. So yeah, had fun. Went to a concert on Monday. Had a blast and all. But since I had promised, I thought I'd better do one. It's been like almost a month since I did one, so I'm back. I still did, but I just work a ton more than I usually did. But yeah, yep. So yeah. Hmm. Like I said, the kayak race, I've had it before this, but this time I bought a crate of it about 2 weeks, about a month ago probably, and still got a few cans. It gets tiring after a few times, so that's why I got Copenhagen and Southern One. I'll make another video pretty soon with that, and just yeah, but yeah, grapes alright if you're like Ruby Pebble. But yeah, I love grape. This is alright sometimes. Me and mix mint with it. Wonder what that tastes like. But oh well. Yeah, give a shout to my buddies out there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And just you know the saying. If you ain't dipping or chin, you ain't a real man. So dip shit. I'm out. See you guys.